In which year was the Madras Bank established? Correct answer is option B, 1683. Who authored Sindh Swaraj? Correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Which state has the longest coastline in the mainland India? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Who won the Women's Premier League 2025 title? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai Indians. Where is the WTO World Trade Organization headquarters located? Correct answer is option B, Geneva, Switzerland. In which state did the 38th National Games take place from 28 January to 14 February 2025? Correct answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state after independence? Correct answer is option A, Sarojini Naidu. Article 48A of the Indian Constitution directs states to ensure the protection and improvement of what? Correct answer is option B, forest and wildlife. Who was the founder of the Indian Space Research Organization? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Umarjilpuram K. Saviraman is known for playing which musical instrument? Correct answer is option C, Marydanum. Which port was developed as a satellite port to relieve pressure on Mumbai port? Correct answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Which is not a pillar of the National State Policy 2024 framework? Correct answer is option D, restriction on private sector engagement. Sangpo and Yamuna are other names for which river? Correct answer is option C, Brahmaputra river. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the Union Public Service Commission? Correct answer is option A, Article 315 to 323. Who replaced Lord Wovell as a Viceroy of India in February 1947? Correct answer is option A, Lord Mountbatten. Where is the Roti festival celebrated? Correct answer is option C, Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Which committee recommended including fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C, Swaran Singh Committee. Where is Birsa Munda International Hockey Stadium located? Correct answer is option B, Rourkela, Odisha. Which Indian state saw the most transformation from the Green Revolution? Correct answer is option B, Punjab. Which language was added to the 8th schedule on 10 July 2023? Correct answer is option D, Koi language. Brahmo Samaj was earlier known as? Correct answer is option B, Brahmo Sabha. Mahavir Jayanti celebrate the birthday of which Tirthankara of Jainism? Correct answer is option D. 24. Tirthankara, who first proposed the heliocentric model of the solar system. Correct answer is option C. Nicolaus Copernicus, who established the indoor gharana. Correct answer is option C. Ustad Amir Khan. Which water body separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Correct answer is option C. Which of these is not part of Carnatic music? Correct answer is option C. Dhurpad, who won the Purple Cap in IPL 2024. Correct answer is option C. Harshal Patel. In which Indian state did the 38th National Games take place from 28 January to 14 February 2025? Correct answer is option D. Uttarakhand.